Hi, this is Naim Hussain. Today I want to talk about the uses of other. We become confused when we use other with different nouns. For solving that issue, we are going to talk about the uses of other with countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So let's start with count nouns. When other is used with countable nouns, then it provides different meaning. Number one, an other than singular noun. So as an is used here, it means actually one, so it is used with singular noun. So another with singular noun, then it provides a meaning like one more. For example, you can say another pencil. It means one more pencil. Another book, that means one more book. So you could say, I need another pencil, or I need another book. It means I need one more book, or I need one more pencil. Number two, the other with singular noun, then it provides a meaning that looks like the last of the set. So you could say, I need the other book. It means I need the remaining book of the set. It is, I think, a bit specific. So when you use it, then you are talking about something that is specific. For example, maybe you have 5 books, 4 are taken by your friends, so there is one rest. So you could say, I need the other book. And then other with plural noun. It means more of the set. Am I right? So you could say, other pencils. That means some more pencils. I need other pencils, or I need other books, or I need other tables, I need other pens, I need other mobile phones. It means I need some more mobile phones, I need some more pencils, I need some more pens, I need some more tables. So other with plural noun, it talks about something that describes something more. So when you need something more, then you could use other with plural noun. And then the other with plural noun, it actually becomes a bit specific. Maybe there are 10 books, 5 are taken by your friends, or 6 are taken by your friends. Now 4 are left. So if you want to get all the 4 books that are left, then you could say, I need the other books. That means maybe there are 4 books left. So now you expect it from there. So you could say, I need the other books. I need the rest of the books, right? So that's how other is used differently with singular noun or plural noun, right? Now, when other is used with non-count nouns, then how does it make sense? Let's see. Other with non-count nouns, it talks about more of the set. Sounds like I need other water. It means I need some more water. Maybe you have a glass of water, you need 2 more glasses of water. You could say that. So I need other water. Then the other water, it actually provides a specific meaning. So the other water, it means you could say, I need the other water. It means maybe there is a glass of water. Some of it is taken by your friends. So some are left there. So you could say, please give me the other water. It means please give me the rest of the water, right? So that's how other could be used with both countable nouns and uncountable nouns, right? Now let's see some more examples. What does it talk about? I don't want this book. Please give me another or another one. Both provide same meaning. Please give me another one or another. It means please give me any other book. As I do not want this book, so could you please give me any other book that you have, right? Not this book, any other book. I don't want this book. Please give me the other one. When you use the other or the other one, then it becomes so specific. So it means like, I don't want this book. Please give me the other, or give me the other one, or give me that book. Maybe there is a book on the table, or maybe on his library. So you're talking about something specific. So please give me that book or the other one, right? And then this chemical is poisonous, others are poisonous too. It means all the others are poisonous too. It's not that specific. You could say others or other ones. I don't want these books. Please give me the others or the other ones. Let's say there are 10 books, 7 or 8 are taken by your friends, 2 are left. So you could say, I don't want these books because my friends already have taken it, so please give me the other ones, right? Please give me the rest of the books. Okay, that's how other is used with countable and uncountable nouns. Now, let's check this out by solving exercises. Okay, so let's see the exercises. Number 1, this pen is not working. Please give me. So what could be the answer? As this pen is not working, that means as this one is not working, so you need the other one, right? Or you need a specific one, or you need one more pencil, which is not this one, which is not like this, as it is not working. So you could say, please give me the other, or please give me another, or please give me another one or the other one. So that's how you can fill in this blank. Number 2, if you are still thirsty, I'll make pot of coffee. It means if you are still thirsty, then I will make one more pot of coffee, right? So one more, you could say another pot of coffee, and other, it means one more pot of coffee. Number 3, this dictionary has a page missing. This dictionary has a page missing. That means this dictionary has a problem. So you do not want to buy this dictionary. Please give me dash, the last one. Maybe you are buying a dictionary from a shop and maybe they have 2 dictionaries. But the first one which has a page missing, so you need the other one, right? So how can you say that? Please give me the other or the other one. It means as it is not working, so what you have left, please give me that, right? So you can say, please give me the other or the other one. Number 4, he does not need those books. He needs dash. That means he needs all the remaining. Maybe he does not need those books means maybe he does not need 40 books, but maybe they have 50 books. Among them, these 40 books are not needed for him, so he needs the rest of the 10 books. So he could say he needs all the remaining. It means he needs the others. He needs the others means he needs the rest of the 10 books. And finally, there are 30 people in the room, 20 are from London, and rest of the 10 people are from where? So you could say, and the other, that means rest of the people are from other countries, not from London, from other countries. Okay, so that's how you can solve the exercises by using other. As you know that other is sometimes a very confusing word to use, but if you know the process, or if you know how to use it smartly, then believe me, you can make a lot of smart sentences by using other. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to get more videos like this, do subscribe our channel, like our page for getting updates. If you have any grammatical issues with any grammatical topic, do suggest us. We will make video on your suggestion. Thanks for watching again. Goodbye.